This is a lovely song. It's quite high pitched, and there's also a waltz in the middle which I will dance, so look out coffee table. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's,